We are off to village and hill station points, safari kind of a thing, and it was a good morning, and yeah, so let's see what we get to see. Say good morning, Tavi.
Good morning.
So this is where we are taking our package of the tour, Thekri Jeep Safari. There is a lovely Thar here. Looks really nice.
My name is Majo.
Majo is Thekri Safari tourist manager.
Yes.
Who takes care of the place, which I just showed y'all.
Yeah.
And he and your name is?
Darwish.
Darwish is going to take us in the Jeep and show us around and things like that. So guys, make sure y'all come here and visit this place and come to Manoj.
Yeah, Majo.
Majo.
Yeah.
And book your Jeeps from here. Yes.
ये हमारा स्पाइसेस का गार्डन है
Okay.
और साथ में जो है आयुर्वेदिक जड़ी बूटियाँ हैं
Okay.
और इसका एक हाफ एन आवर विजिट होगा, एक गाइड साथ में आएगा आपके साथ। उसके बाद हमारा आउटलेट है, जो खरीदना है आप लोग खरीद सकते हैं।
Okay.
देयर इज एन एंट्री फी फॉर एवरीवन, 100 रुपीज पर पर्सन।
Okay. So hi guys, y'all can see I'm at Green Valley, which is the Ayurveda and spices place.
Yeah.
Spices place, and we're going to enter there now, and we're going to check it out. So come on, let's go.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
You are from?
We are from Bombay.
Bombay.
My
Mumbai.
name is Lakshmi.
Hi
I
Lakshmi.
am your guide.
Hi, Lakshmi.
Hindi or English? In which language?
Whichever you prefer.
Whichever you're comfortable.
Okay. We can start from here. So this is known as Tampurgia. Tampurgia. That is the name of this plant. See, this flower looks like a lady's shoe,
Right.
isn't it? So this is known as lady's shoe flower. Only for decoration purpose. There is no medicinal value, not in spices. Only for decoration we are using this.
Oh,
Okay.
where is joint? Acha, it's joint.
It's got.
See, there you can see a small plant with the tiny leaves, that
Right.
a round one. That is the indigo plant.
Oh,
Commonly we are using the indigo for coloring, you know, coloring our dress like that. We are getting blue color for the dress. This is not that indigo. This is the Indian indigo plant. We are using the leaves for preparing medicine for hair. That's good for hair growth. Dandruff is going, preventing our hair fallings. Then long hair for ladies. There will be premature gray below 35 years. If anybody have gray hair, that gray hair becomes black too.
oh, okay.
That is like a medicine. Once a week or twice a week, we want to apply on the scalp of the hair.
What is it called?
Indigo, Indian indigo plant. Common means in India we are calling Neelambari.
Neelambari. Right.
See this plant. This is insulin plant. Insulin for diabetes. Commonly we are calling insulin plant. But the botanical name of this plant is Costus spa.
Okay.
In India we are calling Madhumeha Nashini
Okay.
for diabetes.
Okay.
Those who are using the injection or tablet for diabetes, with that also we can use it, no side effect.
Okay.
But when we are using the English medicine for diabetes, we want to use lifelong. If we are using more, there will be the side effects. But if we are using this medicine, with that also, with English medicine also we can use it, no side effect. When we are eating this medicine, that is like a powder, we want to boil in the water, we want to drink.
Oh, okay.
But after 3 months, no need to use any medicine for diabetics. Our sugar will become normal. We can control with the medicine.
Okay.
But if we are using English or Ayurvedic, we won't get 100% cure. But no side effect with this.
No sort of effect with this.
See, this is Malabar nut.
Hmm.
Maybe you know Adusa, Adusi.
Adusa.
Adusi cup syrup also we are getting. And this is Adusa.
Oh, okay.
Adadoda vasica is the botanical name for all of our respiratory problems. Like asthma, sinusitis,
Correct.
dust allergy,
Yes.
bronchitis, cough and cold, sneezing, wheezing, the whole problems we can use it. See this plant, this is known as Misophilia.
Hmm.
Naga Pushpam.
Okay.
In India we are calling Naga Pushpam. This is good for migraine.
Hmm.
This one, and you know the touch me not?
Ah.
Chui mui.
Hmm.
Touch me not, and other 40 herbals we are mixing and preparing a oil
Oh, okay.
for migraine, insomnia and snoring. For migraine there is no medicine in English for curing, isn't it? They are giving the painkillers. When we are eating the tablet, the pain goes, again comes. But this is for permanent cure. That is like a oil form, only for external application. If we are using continuously 1 month, we will get a permanent cure from migraine, insomnia and snoring. And the sinusitis
So if
too.
we want to buy this oil,
After seeing our plantation, there is an outlet, sir.
Yes.
You can buy from
what
there.
do we tell them?
This is known as a Misophilia.
Misophilia.
But in medicine, there will be different name.
okay.
That is
So we just have to tell him.
Sanskrit name. We are.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We have to say that we wanted oil for migraine.
Okay. This is Plumbago. Plumbago for reducing our weight loss.
Oh, okay.
We are getting two form of medicine for weight loss. One is like a oil for medicine that we want to apply. Where will be the fat? Massage only on that unwanted fat melt through sept that goes out. But the whole body, if we want to reduce, we want to intake the medicine. That is like a Chyawanprash. Morning 1 teaspoon, night 1 teaspoon, 2 times per day we want to eat. Within 1 month, 4 to 5 kilograms weight we can reduce it. When we are eating the medicine, increasing our metabolism, our unwanted fat burns through urine, otherwise through sept, that goes out. After stopping the medicine, we want to increase our weight.
Okay.
That will maintain in our body. Like when we are using the English medicine for any disease, within 2-3 days the disease goes, again comes. But Ayurvedic medicine is not like that. The whole medicines will be the dosage, like 20 days, 30 days, 3 months like that. Slowly goes, but we will get a permanent cure. That is the difference between the English and the Ayurvedic medicine. See, this is Justinia. In India we are calling Vata Hari, Vat. Sandhivat is there.
Yes, yes.
For all of our body pains, like muscle pain, joint pain, knee pain, arthritis, back pain, spondylitis, except headache and stomach pain, we can use it. Some of us, because of arthritis, they can't walk properly. When we are walking, the cracking sound is coming from the knee, isn't it? Inside our bone, there is a fluid known as synovial fluid. When the fluid is drying, the arthritis is starting. Normally, what we are doing, knee replacement. 4 lakh, 5 lakh we are spending. Afterwards also the pain is not going. Because there is no medicine in English for regenerating synovial fluid in the bone. But in Ayurveda is there. But there will be a long course.
Of course, yes.
This is asparagus.
Okay.
Different kinds of asparagus is there. This is the wild asparagus. The root we are using in medicine, especially for ladies. For increasing blood, increasing hemoglobin in the blood, gynec problem, irregular periods, white discharge, menstrual pain, what are the problems are there in ladies?
Right.
We can use that. Coffee?
Oh, that's coffee, huh?
That's coffee, sir. This is Robusta coffee, Robusta.
Okay.
4 types of coffees are there. Robusta, Arabica, Liberian and Kaveri. Kaveri and Robusta are the Indian coffees.
Okay.
Other 2 coffees came from outside. On the way I will show you that one. Here you can see the green color coffee seeds and the red too, isn't it? There, see, sir.
Red I can see.
Green one.
That's
Yes,
the
yes,
green
yes,
one.
yes.
That is the immature seed.
Okay.
This is a ripened fruit. When the full will become red, that is ready to pick.
Can we try?
Yes, we can. Don't fall down, sir.
No, don't worry. I will not.
See that. After picking, put in the sun for drying. After drying, the coffee seed will become black.
But if I eat now, I'll get coffee taste.
No, no.
Oh.
When we are roasting, the flavor is coming.
Ah.
Now no taste.
Acha, now no taste.
Little sweet. The skin will be little sweet.
Hmm.
If you want to taste, you taste and you can see. Little sweet.
It's only sweet, huh?
But no taste. The coffee taste, no.
Yeah.
There's no coffee taste now, isn't it?
No.
No.
No coffee taste.
Two beans are there. In one seed, you can see two beans.
Hmm.
You want to take out the two bean, then roast the bean. When we are roasting, the flavor is coming.
Oh, okay.
After roasting, we can make powder.
Oh, yeah,
That is
this.
coffee powder.
Yeah.
All coffee's processing will be same, but the taste will be different.
Oh, okay.
Which coffee you like, medium or strong?
Strong. I like strong.
Actually, you, sir?
Strong.
This is not strong. This
Yeah.
is medium in taste.
Hmm.
Brew coffee is preparing with the seed of Robusta and Arabica mixing.
Okay.
Okay.
But South Indian coffee, then what is made of what?
Arabica and Robusta.
Same, okay.
Same.
Okay.
But Liberian coffee also, Liberian coffee, I will show you. Liberian coffee came from West Africa. The strong coffees are preparing with the seed of Liberian.
Oh, okay.
Now in coffee powder, the people are adding chicory in the coffee. Do you know
Okay.
chicory?
No. What's that?
Actually, chicory is a poison plant. For getting extra taste for the coffee, the big companies like Brew, Nescafe, they are mixing chicory in the coffee powder.
Oh.
Actually, chicory is a poison plant. For getting extra taste for the coffee, the big companies like Brew, Nescafe, they are mixing chicory in the coffee powder.
Oh.
So maybe you
But it's a
observed
poison,
that.
right?
Actually, that is a slow poison.
Oh.
That brew coffee, Nescafe, like when we are buying from the shop, you keep that is in the home for 1 month. That becomes like a moisture.
Correct.
Because chicory is there. That's why that becomes like that. Without the chicory, that won't become. That is like if you are adding the water also, nothing will happen. The water dries. That one becomes moisture. Without the chicory, if you are getting, that will be better. How that becomes like a moisture? When we are using the chicory added coffee, our heart will be blockages. Without chicory, that is better. This is our dalchini.
Oh.
Dalchini.
Cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
Okay. Dalchini is the bark of the tree.
Okay.
हमें दो टाइप का दालचीनी मिलता है.
Hmm.
एक ही जैसे स्किन है, दूसरा होता है गोल गोल टाइप में आता है ना.
Ah.
गोल चाहिए तो एक ही बार हम स्किन निकालेगा तभी न्यू स्किन आ जाएगा. 5 साल में वही पेड़ से स्किन निकाल सकते हैं. लेकिन जो गोल वाला चाहिए तो पेड़ को पूरा काटना पड़ेगा. काट के अंदर से मशीन से रोलिंग करते हैं, जैसे शेप करते हैं.
Okay.
नॉर्मली हम यूज़ करते हैं, ये स्किन यूज़ करते हैं, वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं लेकिन थोड़ा सा स्वीट रहेगा. इसलिए लड्डू वगैरह बनाने में वगैरह जो यूज़ करते हैं. फिर मेडिसिनल वाली उसमें ज़्यादा है, वो गोल में. जो कोलेस्ट्रॉल वगैरह के लिए लोग पानी में उबाल के जो पानी पीते भी है. अभी इसका पत्ता है तेज पत्ता. बिरयानी पुलाव में हम जो डालते हैं ना, दालचीनी का पत्ते को तेज पत्ता कहते हैं.
Right.
Same, the whole tree we can use.